Assalamualaikum student, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. Class 5 subject English topic Does he remember? Lecture number 13. Reading page number 17. I do stuttered Mike. It's been a long time. Long time लंबा सा. I hope you have him on a leash. I remember I used to worry him no end. Leash होता है डोरी. I don't think he will remember that far back, said Nabil. He is old and blind now and likes to sleep. And by the way, no, he is not on a leash. Can you be sure? Asked Mike. Sure of what? Asked Nabil. That he is asleep. You can hear him snoring. Snoring होता है खराटे लेना. Can't you? No, no. Whispered Mike. Whispered सरगोशी करना. Are you sure that he does not remember me? Just then the snoring stopped abruptly. अचानक the dark form on the sofa stared. A large head was raised and two great nostrils sniffed the air loudly. Nabil and Mike did not make a sound. Next page. Then there was chaos. The dark form leapt होता है कूदना into air, urgently scrambling to get off the sofa. A a snarling, ragging Marmaduke leaping forwards to Mike, drowned out the buying from the distant bedroom. Stop him, do something, screamed Mike as he too scrambled behind a large armchair. Nabil acted just in time. He threw himself on the top of the dog, pinning it firmly to the floor, slowing it down. Mike saw his chance and took to his heels, immediately heading straight for the front door. Nabil could not keep the writing animal trapped for very long. It was almost as big as he was and much stronger. Mike reached for the door handle, wrenched it down, pulled open the door, and shouted outside, slamming the door firmly होता है मजबूती से behind him. It was not a moment too soon. Looking over his shoulder कंधा, as he raced for the gate. Mike saw Marmaduke great paws होता है पंजा up against the window panes खिड़की के शीशे. Next to the door, the animal's large, unseeing eyes blazed like garnets, and his teeth were bared. His ferocious होता है जालिम barks and growls had encouraged the other dogs to bay louder. It seemed as if all the dogs of the neighborhood had joined in the coco pony होता है पंजा. ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखें. ई वाला क्वेश्चन. हाउ डिड Marmaduke react to Mike? How did Marmaduke react to Mike? मार्माड्यूक का माइक के साथ रद्द-ए-अमल किस तरह का था? मार्माड्यूक का माइक के साथ रद्द-ए-अमल किस तरह का था? आंसर देखिए. मार्माड्यूक reacted angrily to Mike as soon as he smelled him. मार्माड्यूक ने गुस्से का इजहार किया जैसे ही माइक ने उसे सूंघा। लर्न रीडिंग, राइट क्वेश्चन। टेक केयर। अल्लाह हाफिज़।